How to turn off dark mode on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Firstly, launch a Snapchat application in your device. Make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. Now in here, tap on the bit emoji option. Then select on the setting gear icon that is in your right hand corner. You will find various off settings of your Snapchat. To turn off the dark mode on your Snapchat, head over and select on App Appearance. Over here, you'll find various of options such as Match System, Always Light, Always Dark, or Custom App Theme. To turn off your dark mode, just select on Always Light, then tap on Restart Now. After which, your Snapchat will turn off the dark mode. If this feature is not available for you, you can also change for your device mode on your device settings. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.